is Manusi and
Mama! Today, what are we gonna cook,
we're
Lucy?
gonna cook vegetables.
We're gonna cook vegetables. What else do we need? Do we need the...
I think this is the pumpkin.
Oh, there's nothing here. You cannot open anything here. Oh, be careful, be careful. Do not crack it. We have a special guest. It's the
Porcupine.
porcupine.
He said he was fruit and vegetables.
He said that. And then,
Give you some blueberries.
blueberry. Careful, ha. And then, I put mustard.
Okay, put everything here.
And then, I'll smack this one to Musi.
Okay.
What else?
Here.
Nothing more.
Here.
What will I do with this one?
Put it in the pot.
Cannot fit. Oh my god, it's too small. Darn it. And then I put...
Okay, let me.
Okay, careful, ha, careful. Careful, ha, careful. Be careful with it.
Don't see weird stuff inside.
Yes. Oh, cheers. There's, I think this one you put powder on this one.
Powder.
And then...
Heat.
Oh, now our final product. What's our final product? What's our final product? No. Ito fell.
Oh no.
Oh my god. Oh no, you're gonna put tea? So weird. What does this taste now?
Yummy.
Yummy. This in my cook is so weird. He puts tea on the again. The food will taste like tea time already.
Water.
Okay.
Stir the water.
Okay, now we're ending the vlog because the kitchen was set on fire by Musi.